So talking about learning, here's an interesting stat that we discovered in this upcoming developer survey, is that last year, in 2021, 60% of developers were learning through online resources. That number has gone up to 70% this year in 2022. And so when I say online resources, it sounds kind of obvious, but what does that mean exactly, right? So we looked at the next generation of technologists, the people that are coming to the websites, the folks that are learning how to code, et cetera, and the way they're doing it, this is again from our dev survey, is that, of course, they're leveraging technical documentation like all of us do, and it's all online. But Stack Overflow is a very large part of that. We're number 2 in that, very closely behind, not very far. And then they're also using things like, how do they go to online videos about coding? It's a very common way for them to learn. And that, you'll notice as this sort of list goes down that the more traditional ways of learning have actually become the minority, right? Coursework and other things like that. Long are the days of the textbooks. I still have my Java programming textbooks in my office just as a memento. But, nobody ever does that anymore, right? So the learning aspect, how people are learning, it has really, really transformed.